lot of it is recognizing the pattern. Just, almost like with anything in life, you recognize the patterns of consistent. It kind of what we talked about earlier is, am I feeling this way every single time this happens? And
Mm.
and this is an example I'm going to give you is, when you attach emotion
Mhm.
to every single hiccup at work,
Oh,
you
that's a
get
good
an
one.
email from
Yeah.
someone. Yeah, you get an email from someone that there's no wrong intention in
Yes.
the email. It could just be, someone asking a question and you get personally
Mm.
offended by something that there was no wrong intention
Yeah.
in there. And when you start attaching emotion to everything, someone
Ah,
makes a comment at work or
yeah.
you get cut off in traffic, it doesn't even have to be at work. I
Right.
mean, it could be consistent uh emotional
Yeah.
attachment to things that don't require emotional attachment. I think that's really what you have to be cognizant of.